Hey guys, I'm back, and this time what I'm doing is, drum roll please, the Allure Beauty Box for May 2020. So let's get in there. Okay, let's see what goodies I got this month. So there's a little booklet that you're gonna get every single month. It tells you details about what's in the box, and it also gives you discount codes. So this month, and I'm gonna do this a little bit faster because last month I did another Allure unboxing video. So if you guys haven't checked it out, please do. Okay, so this month we got an Allure Welcome to Skin Wellness. Resurfacing. It's a unicorn root cleanser. There's a skin ink supplement bar. My daily dose of glow. There's also brand AHC. I don't think I've heard of them before, but it says Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. So I can't wait to try this one. I do like to try a lot of things on my face, so this is a good one. VDL. This is a primer. I'm gonna open it just because I've never heard of this brand either. And this is what it looks like. And I just kind of want to see what color the primer is. It's very white. I don't know if you can really see it. Okay. All right, this is Smooth Sailing Wavy More Than a Moisture. I don't know what it is, but I know I've seen this brand in one of my previous boxes. It's a skincare set. So it has to be for the skin, but I'm gonna look in my little booklet because it's gonna tell me like an entire description of what it is and when I should use it. So that's good. And what is this? Is the last thing that's in here. Kind of stuck. When Glamour Base Bio Sheet Mask. It says bio-cellulose. I don't know how to say that word, but it's a sheet mask. I'm not sure what it's gonna do, but I will have to read and see what is the benefit of using it. So on this one, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things for only $15, which is not bad. And like I mentioned in my video that I did last month, it's always good to get these stuff because if you really like it, you can just go and buy it. And if you don't like it, then at least you can spend $28 to $50 something on an item that you're not even going to use. So that's why I enjoy getting this box. Well, other than that, here's my stuff. I hope you guys have an awesome week. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.